Today I have all my onions that I've been drying, and I am cleaning them up, dicing them up, and we got some peppers from the garden, and dice them up and put them in here so that I can have grab and go whenever I'm cooking. Some of them will have peppers, and it's for a little bit of spicy kick, and some of them will just be onions. We love having grab and go vegetables ready to go in the freezer for when we're super busy, especially come winter when they are not available. This is our pole beans. We have put in 5 seeds of the purple potted pole beans that we were given from MNC Family Homestead. Check them out on YouTube and also Facebook. And then we also planted a couple of our pinto beans we got from Mary's Heirloom Seeds. So these are the only pole beans we had. Everything else is a bush variety. And so we are going to give this a go. We had 2 spare T-posts and some paracord. And we drill augered some holes here, put the plastic down, got our rocks, put our potting soil in and our seeds that we had soaked, and hopefully they will bring us some good beans. For now, we're going to go put some extra roosts in the chicken coop, and here in a few days we're going to put our nest boxes in, and yeah, it's really coming along over there. We might not get much video of this. We're going to try to hurry because we're about to get dumped on. Look, that's what we came out to. That's what's coming. Okay, we got their little walkway and another roost, and we started doing the pine. Rain's coming fast. We're going to get this project finished up in the morning.